In this video, I'll show you how to build a quiz-style form with dynamic results pages in just a few simple steps. This process is perfect if you want to create interactive experiences for your users, like personalized results based on their answers. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you an exclusive way to try the software we're using, which you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive right in. First, you need to choose the right software. After testing a bunch of the most popular quiz building tools, I found that this software stands out for its ease of use and flexibility. You can start with a blank quiz form or use pre-designed templates. For today's video, we're going to start from scratch so you can see exactly how to customize everything. You'll find the exclusive free trial link in the description if you want to follow along. Now, let's get to the quiz design. You'll want to start by adding your questions. You can use different question types, like multiple choice, true, false, or open-ended, depending on what you need. To create dynamic results pages, you'll want to set up branching logic. This means that based on the user's answers, they'll be directed to different results pages. Here's how to set up the branching logic. For each question, you'll define the possible answers, then link each answer to a specific results page. For example, if someone selects answer A, they'll be shown one set of results. If they pick answer B, they'll see a different result. This is where the dynamic part comes in. Next, you'll customize the results pages. You want these to be relevant and engaging, showing the user results that feel personal to their responses. On each result page, you can add text, images, or even videos to make it more interactive and fun. Be sure to keep your design clean and easy to read. You want the results to feel like a personalized experience. Once you've set up your quiz and dynamic results pages, it's time to test everything. Make sure the logic is working as expected and that users are being redirected to the right pages based on their answers. You can even preview the quiz as a user to ensure everything looks good and functions smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to build a quiz-style form with dynamic results pages. Key takeaway. The key to creating an effective quiz with dynamic results is setting up branching logic properly and customizing the results pages to make them feel personal and relevant. Let's quickly recap the steps. 1. Choose the software and start with a blank quiz form or template. 2. Add your questions and set up branching logic to link answers to specific results pages. 3. Customize the results pages to make them personalized and engaging. 4. Test everything to ensure it works smoothly. Before I go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in the description below. This will let you follow along and start building your own quiz-style forms with dynamic results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.